welcome back to the channel. Imagine stepping into a world where less space doesn't mean less life, it means more intention. Today, we're exploring a modern farmhouse tiny house that completely redefines what it means to live small. From the very first glance, this home promises something special, a seamless blend of rustic charm and modern elegance. Stay with me, because what looks like a humble tiny house from afar quickly unfolds into a luxurious and cozy sanctuary you won't want to leave. As we approach the home, the exterior immediately captures attention with its clean white board and batten siding paired with warm wooden accents. The black framed windows create a striking contrast, giving the house that signature modern farmhouse look. But here's the hook, this isn't just about aesthetics. Every design choice you see here has been carefully crafted to maximize durability, efficiency, and timeless beauty. You'll start to realize this home is as smart as it is stunning. Before we even step inside, the cozy front porch sets the tone. It's not oversized, but it's perfectly designed for morning coffee or quiet evenings under the stars. A couple of chairs, soft lighting, and maybe a small potted plant, simple elements that create a powerful emotional pull. This is where the magic of tiny living begins, making every inch count while still delivering a lifestyle that feels rich and fulfilling. The moment you walk through the door, the interior opens up in a way that feels almost unexpected. High ceilings, light-toned wood floors, and an abundance of natural light make the space feel much larger than it actually is. Here's the twist, this tiny home doesn't feel tiny at all. The layout has been designed to eliminate clutter and create flow, making you instantly feel comfortable and inspired. The living room proves that you don't need a massive space to create a luxurious atmosphere. A compact yet plush sofa, layered textures, and carefully chosen decor pieces bring warmth and personality. What really draws you in is how intentional everything feels. Nothing is random, yet nothing feels forced. It's a perfect balance of cozy and refined, making you wonder if bigger homes are truly necessary after all. Now, let's talk about one of the most impressive parts of this tiny house, the kitchen. Despite its size, it features full-size appliances, sleek countertops, and custom cabinetry that maximizes storage. Open shelving adds a farmhouse touch, while modern fixtures keep it fresh and current. Here's the hook: this kitchen doesn't just look good, it works beautifully, proving that even serious cooking can happen in a small, well-designed space. Tucked beside the kitchen is a charming dining nook that feels both intimate and practical. Whether it's a foldable table or a built-in bench with hidden storage, this space is designed for connection. It's easy to picture shared meals, laughter, and quiet conversations happening here. The beauty lies in its simplicity, reminding us that meaningful moments don't require grand settings, just thoughtful design. Prepare to be surprised again, because the bathroom in this tiny home feels anything but small. Featuring a glass-enclosed shower, modern fixtures, and elegant finishes, it delivers a spa-like experience. Clever storage solutions ensure everything has its place, keeping the space clean and uncluttered. This is where luxury quietly shines, showing that even the most functional rooms can feel indulgent and relaxing. Climb up to the loft, and you'll find a bedroom that feels like a peaceful retreat. With a comfortable bed, soft lighting, and just enough headroom, it creates a cocoon-like atmosphere perfect for rest. The hook here. It's not just about sleeping, it's about escaping. This elevated space gives you a sense of separation and privacy, making the home feel layered and complete. One of the most fascinating aspects of this home is how it handles storage. From built-in cabinets to understair compartments, every nook is utilized without feeling cramped. This is where the true genius of tiny house design reveals itself. It challenges the idea that we need more space and instead shows us how we can live better with less, without sacrificing comfort or style. As we step back and take it all in, this modern farmhouse tiny house leaves a lasting impression. It's not just a place to live, it's a statement about intentional living, thoughtful design, and embracing simplicity without giving up luxury. From the inviting exterior to the carefully crafted interior, every detail tells a story. And maybe, just maybe, it inspires you to rethink what home truly means.